Good morning. Today you're joining me on a short hike into Vevika Nature Reserve, November Oscar 2388. It's never been activated before, and today it's the first day of the Support Your Parks event. This forest is what's called a Western Norwegian Rainforest. It's a beautiful kind of nature, really lush, lots of bird life around here, lots of moss and lichen growing everywhere, lots of plants. Sadly, no tropical animals, no monkeys, no parrots, nothing like that, but still, it's a fun place to activate. CQ POTA, CQ Parks on the air, Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Florida 5, Papa Yankee India. 5, Papa Yankee India.
Florida 5, Papa Yankee India, 5 by 9.
Thank you for 5-9. You're 5 and 7. 57. QSL?
QSL.
Italia Kilo 4, India Delta, Florida.
India Kilo 4, India Delta, Florida. Good morning, Rafael. 5 by 7.
Roger, 56, 56 for you. Thanks so much for the park. And to Larry.
Italy 4, Radio Hotel Papa, 5 by 5.
Echo Sierra 8, call Papa. Echo Sierra 8, Germany Papa, contact.
Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Bravo 4.
Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Bravo 4, Fox Hotel 59056.
Thank you for 056, you're 59004. Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel.
Lima Bravo 4, Foxtrot Hotel, I believe it, you're 59050.
QSL 050, Echo Sierra 8, Tango Juliet Mike 59005.
05, Roger, thanks, good luck.
73. So this is what it looks like to operate a G90 in the field. I got the CE19 interface down there, radio, external sound card, and then the laptop and a hell of a lot of cables everywhere. It works, but it's kind of dirty. So that was 10 in log. Not quick ones. 40 was decent enough, but didn't get through to too many. 20 was horrible SSB wise, but I did get some FT4 and FT8 QSOs, and also then 17 meters gave me the last one. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for participating in Support Your Parks. 7 trees.